Check engine light on. Honda showing the P0172 code. Don't panic. This code usually means your engine is getting too much fuel. And today, I'll show you 2 fast DIY fixes. You can do at home in about 3 minutes. No expensive mechanic, no complicated tools. This P0172 repair video is specially made for Honda drivers. If your Honda is showing the P0172 error code, this video will guide you through 2 simple and practical DIY methods to help fix the problem at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle, identify the P0172 code, and diagnose the issue before starting the repair. P0172 means the engine's air-fuel mixture is too rich, which indicates that bank 1 of your Honda is receiving too much fuel or not enough air. This can lead to poor fuel economy, rough idle, black exhaust smoke, and reduced engine performance. Here are 2 of the most practical and effective methods to help fix the Honda P0172 error code and restore proper engine performance. MAF sensors are usually located between the air filter box and the throttle body, where they measure the amount of air entering the engine. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your vehicle and inspect it closely. The small wire inside the sensor can often become dirty over time, which may require proper cleaning to restore accurate airflow readings. Spray the MAF sensor cleaner gently onto the wire while holding the sensor upright to help prevent damage to the sensitive components inside the MAF sensor. After the sensor is completely dry, reinstall the MAF sensor back into the vehicle carefully and ensure it is properly secured before starting the engine. The oxygen sensor is usually located on the exhaust manifold or near the catalytic converter. Carefully remove the faulty oxygen sensor and replace it with a new OEM quality oxygen sensor. After installation, securely reinstall it onto the catalytic converter exhaust system to ensure accurate exhaust readings and proper engine performance. If the check engine light stays on after the repair, disconnect the battery for about 10 minutes or use an OBD2 scanner to clear the error code. Then drive the vehicle for a few minutes so the system can reset and recheck the repair. That's how to fix a Honda P0172 engine code using 2 simple DIY methods at home. These quick fixes can help improve engine performance, reduce rich fuel mixture problems, and save you money on costly repairs. Subscribe now for more real DIY mechanic fixes, money-saving repair tips, and fast-check engine code solutions that every car owner should know.